In this preview, we share only one part conclusion, part 1, and we share in this particular preview Sun's transit effect for the whole month. But part 1 conclusion, part 1 and Sun's transit. Sun's transit effect for the whole month in the preview as well as conclusion part 1 out of 10 parts. The 10 parts are like transit effect of Sun for the whole month, transit effect of Mercury for the whole month, transit effect of Mars for the whole month, transit effect of Venus effect for the whole month, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, 3, task precaution chantings of the premium content which you can buy from the website prakashastrologer.com. But in preview, I will only share Sun's transit effect for the whole month as well as conclusion part 1. The choice, if you need more information, more guidance, and you want to plan your whole month and there's a lot of important things are happening in this coming month, then why don't you take the full, complete premium, the complete in-depth horoscope detail, the forecast for the whole month, and make this particular guidance most useful for your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies. And because the horoscope prediction which I prepare for all of you is applied and is applied, it's pure applied astrology. So you can take the benefit out of this. Leo, transit of Sun in second house, 17th September till 17th October. This period mostly portends absence of expected result or profit in trade or decline in flow of income or wealth. If you deal in agriculture, if you are dealing trading, if you're self-employed, this period may bring you some serious setbacks. It's a time period when you are more susceptible to fear than usual. You may feel at risk of being cheated or experience anxiety for no apparent reason at all. As a result, you may find it difficult to handle ordinary affairs of your life as smoothly as you would otherwise do. You may find yourself not so happy or getting irritated easily, even at your nearest or dearest one. And you may feel less compassionate, flexible than usual. If you are susceptible to headaches or problems with your eyes, this is a time where the symptoms may surface. Sun position in second house. At this time, you should reflect upon your values and the things that you value. Traditionally, the second house is a house of money and of movable property as opposed to real estate. In modern time, we refer to the house of resources in general and what we value, both abstract value and material object. During this particular month-long transit, you should re-examine or examine your relationship to the resources of your life. Do they serve your needs or do you serve theirs? Many people, out of misguided need for security, become so involved with their possession that they cannot act freely for fear of damaging their own interest, that is property interest. At this time, you need to express yourself through your material and non-material resources, using them to define to yourself and others. For example, you may feel that having a party or other celebration that you material resources can give pleasure and amusement to your friends. You may want to show off something you own to others because you take so much pleasure in it to yourself. Obviously, this can be carried too far so that your behavior is obnoxious to others, but it can also be a source of good timing for yourself and for your friends. Leo month of September 2021, the conclusions. Conclusion for Leo for month of September. Conclusion part 1. Leo, this is a good period for businessmen, employees, with respect to their promotion, prestige. But you should also encounter changes in your environment. So be prepared for that. There will be achievements, there will be some sort of a struggle as well, and you have to, may I say, prepare yourself for unexpected changes. There will be a marked rise in your income and improvement in your skill. There is a possibility of addition in the family member. Enmity shall cease. You will feel energetic and lively. During this phase of time, your confidence will be par excellence. You will be fearless, fond of struggle and strife. By dint of labor and hard work, business trade prospect will be on positive side. Your relationship with seniors, authorities will be very coordinated. At the same time, your business circle will be rising. Unexpected journey shall bring infinite results. Family life will bring more happiness. There is a chance of rise in income resources. You'll be able to overcome competition and will prevail over opponents. A sound state of health is also indicated. Financially, this will prove to be the best period for you. You may have to achieve benefit from profitable deals. You'll be able to convince others by your keen perception about situations and plans. You'll be quite famous, achieve fame in this period. The attitude of your family member will be very coordinated toward you. Old dues, debts may also be realized. Travel undertaken during this phase of time will be very useful. It will also make you very human, philosophical and profound. Your interest in occult sciences will be rising and you may undergo a psychological experience. Leo Ketu position in 4th house, Rahu position in 10th house, Saturn position in 6th house, Sun Mars in 1st house, Jupiter transit effect in 7th house. You must be aware of lack of peace of mind and happiness, sometimes lack of clarity, confusion or lack of concentration in the whole month, and too many illusions. You are developing tensions, restlessness. You must be aware of living professional conflict with higher authorities, or financial losses, or financial conflicts, or cheating, deception, fraud. You must be aware of relationship conflicts, health issues, fluctuations. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month, which will define your transit effect for the whole month. That will define your legal status in the whole month. How the power is going to behave with you. Mars transit effect, your creativity, your courage, your confidence, your aggression, your temper, your family relationship. Mercury transit effect, your number game, profit and loss, flow of money, flow of business, flow of career, flow of job, your professional status. Will you be able to utilize your plan regarding your profession or career? Venus transit effect, if you're going for an interview presentation, will you be able to pass? If you're going for a professional exam or test, will you be able to pass? Your luxuries, your lifestyle, your love life in the whole month. Extensive monthly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole month to achieve your spiritual blessing, to achieve your desirable success. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.